Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between and beyond, welcome. Welcome to stream number 324. This music, oh man, this is hyping. 324 friends. I'm heartily welcoming you all. I hope you're feeling good, you're having a good time. Your heart is bumping, boom, boom. Your dreams are flying. Anya Zord is with us. Hello there. Yes, some music. So good to see you, Anya Zord. No streams today, as I understand, no streaming. But the better for us, because then you are with us. At the moment, at least. Yep, how are you? I'm doing good, feeling nice. I have had quite a few cool talks before the stream, but that is also the reason why my back hurts, because I was sitting too much today. Sitting too much. Also, I was trying to improve, of course, our stream hub, especially. Did not work very well. This music is so good, I like it. What is this Pokemon? That is not a Pokemon. You can't tell me that this is a Pokemon, friends. Everyone who would like to get this glowy doll, I think it is actually quite hype. Actually quite hype. Let's get it. You can only catch Pokemon in live channels. Is my channel not live? Is there something wrong with my Pokemon thing? It appears like there is. It appears like Pokemon has some problems. Or more precisely, exactly, especially my channel maybe. Hello there, Mr. Grundging Beep. And no thank you for your offer, but great that you're here with us. You can of course leave a follow if you like. I don't understand why I cannot catch this beautiful little thing, whatever it might be. Okay friends, but how are you all doing? Anya Zord is chilling. Is writing yep. Yep. I would like to try something interesting today. So, as I said, we have had a lot of cool talks today with other developers, not with real developers actually. For example, we have had a talk with Brent Bruther. He has had a birthday today. A very interesting, great person. So maybe everyone who is there and is not following yet, Brent Bruda. Oh, I wanted to shot at him. I wrote shout. I think I wanted to write shout out at first. Shout out. Wait, how do you write shout out? Now I can't write shout out. Did it work? Friends, did it work? So yeah, please, if you are not following Brother, bro, brother. Brent Brother. Brent Brother, yeah. Please follow him. Because the cool thing is he's making a game and he's in a state where he would like to have people to play it a little bit to see how they do, how they feel. And so probably tomorrow we're gonna do some game testing. Friends, can you tell me, did the shoutout work? Because somehow I think I have some problems with... Yeah, okay, so it appears like it worked because now Twitch tells me that I give a shoutout already. Alright, so this is one thing we're going to do tomorrow, probably at a game testing stream. Tomorrow is Friday, so it would be a good thing for a Friday, I think. Probably we are going to start as well a little bit earlier than today. Then the other thing I would like to do is actually trying out the function called Stream Together. Wally, thank you so much for following. That's great. I'm sure you're gonna be happy. So yeah, I would like to try out a Stream Together stream with Delric. He is developing an MMO, a 2D MMO, so he might tell you more about it, but I just would like to test out the functionality because I did not do it yet. So this is the idea. What do you think, friends? Are you hyped? Because I certainly am. Because I surely am. So let me test it out. If we can set it up. Also, I'm not sure how long I'm going to stream today because it's already quite late. It's already quite late. Alright. Okay, so I have added a few of my favorites. Is something wrong with my mic today? It feels like I am... You can't hear me as good as usual. I just thought, right, I saw something that you add me in some team list. Oh, really? Interesting. I didn't know that something like that happens. That's cool. I didn't know that. But I did it, yes, I just did it. I added you to my favorite Stream Together streamers.
Oh, I'm intoxicated. I got a legend on the way. I'm falling for you, baby. What can I do to make you stay? The bassline's taking over. We've come too far to turn around. So turn the music louder.
So how can I add him? How does it work? Okay, here's Derek. Why thank me? It's all good. No thanks to me. Collaboration settings. So the idea why I would like to do the stream together thing, I was thinking today that it might be a quite cool or interesting thing to do is like inviting different people, especially maybe now at the moment in the developer section, but maybe also in other categories of Twitch. Invite them, talk to them, maybe making something like a weekly update or something. So what changed in the week or something like that. And I thought maybe that would be also interesting for other people. All right. So there can be, by the way, up to six participants in a stream together chat. This is also an interesting thing. We are not going to do a shared chat for now. I would like just to see if the connection itself is going to work in terms of how the viewer topic is going and so on. All right. But of course, it would be also cool to talk to Derek, then. But I'm not sure that we're going to do it today. We're just trying out the first step today. How this is going to work. All right. But what I wanted to show you, so the game what we are going to try out tomorrow probably, which is called Edge of Madness. So let it show me, let me show it to you. So this is the game we are probably going to test out tomorrow. Edge of Madness. It is, I would say it's called roguelike, right? Or like vampire thing. Wait, what is happening with my connection? Can you see something? Oh, you can't see anything. You can't see anything, friends. So there's the game, friends. There's the game. You still can't see it? Or can you? No, you should be able to see it. Yes, you see it. Good. So, yeah, fight off relentless waves of monsters while earning experience to unlock powerful upgrades through a flexible skill tree. Every run pushes you to adapt your build, stacking abilities and synergies to survive increasingly overwhelming odds. Skater Squirrel, hello there. Oh boy, the way. Check out StreamDB. It tracks. Wait, what? It tracks past sale prices for games and has better filters than Steam. Oh, by the way, I thought you said, oh, by way. Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? SteamDB. Yeah, I saw SteamDB earlier as well. Isn't that where you also see all the statistics and so on? Sale prices. Thanks so much. That's very handy. Definitely great to see you, by the way. Oh, so as I said before, we are going to try out tomorrow this game. We're talking today with Brent Brother, who is the developer of the game. With 2 A's, right? Is this Itch.io? Yes, it is. It is. You know Itch.io? So this is Brent Bruder. Very, very cool guy. Had birthday today, so was birthday streaming. And yes, this is Itch.io. Where do you know it from, my friend? Where do you know it from? The project uses the Fat Pint Games. It's a skill tree engine for game makers. So this is the idea for tomorrow. Boom, 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 boom. I used to download 3 games from there, mostly visual novels. Oh, you are into visual novels? Can you, advise a good one? Is there something you would really recommend? Something you could really recommend? Beep, 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 beep. Skater Squirrel writes, I don't remember the names of the visual novellas that I played on itch.io, but there are good ones on Steam too. Life and Suffering of Sir Barante is the one I played recently. Disco Elysium is pretty good too, although it's not a visual novel, it's a CRPG. What is a CRPG, my friend? I don't even know what it is. What is this C for? Character RPG, oh really? Like Planescape Tournament. So let's take a look on... What did you say first? First was Sir Brante. Oh wow, that looks interesting. So friends, The Life and Suffering of Sir Brante. That looks cool. Here we go. I'm not sure if I have ever played a visual novella from the beginning till the end. A narrative-driven hardcore RPG set in a gritty world ruled by real but unrelenting gods, set out on a challenging lifetime journey where every choice has a price and entails consequences. Will you become an inquisitor, a judge, or conspire against the old order? Dare to decide. Cool. Square writes, it's based in a feudal society and has some RPG elements to it, like stats that influence dialogue choices. You are talking about this game, Life and Suffering, or about the Disco Elysium game? This game, okay. Interesting. And let's take a look on Disco Elysium. Somehow, Disco Elysium, the final cut. It sounds familiar, but I don't know what this is about. Oh wow, this is very nicely done. Wow. Look at this, friends. The style is just amazing, right? Disco Elysium is about class struggle, and the script was written by socialists from Estonia. Oh, really? Interesting. Looks very, very good, though, right? Alex Josen. That's very cool. Get it now, friends. Get it now. That's even on Stadia. I didn't know that Stadia still exists, but... Alright, very cool. So I'm gonna take a look on it, into it. Some point. But for now, I think we might go on. By the way, everyone who is in the chat, don't forget to write !enter, because we are already on our new follower goal. And once we reach it, we are doing a giveaway. So the $10 giveaway. Don't forget about !enter. And Squirrel writes, Epic Games gave it free on Christmas. Yeah, Epic Games have given so many games lately, right? I mean, especially one of them, big ones, was Gary Potter, but Hogwarts, Legacy of Hogwarts. Yeah. All right, friends. So let's try to do a little bit more for our chat stream hub. The crazy thing is, friends, I was working on it like for at least 4 or 5 hours without stream. And the crazy part about it is that Claude doesn't understand Kick very much, so it appears like he doesn't have the documentation on how to implement things into Kick, how the API really works. And because of that, I have a lot of struggle with it. A lot of struggle with Kick to connect. And it might work now. No, of course not. Connection expired. Of course it does not work. But at least we can see now as if Kick is online. So it still doesn't work. Yeah. So not a good run. Not a good run with this thing. Not good run with these. And I think we really have to do like these. We have to create, in a way, also a debug log, because this debug log he wants us to do doesn't exist. There's not such a log. That's what I wanted to tell him, because I can't debug the way he wants, because I simply don't have it. I'm a little bit upset that it takes so long. I did not assume that it's gonna take so long to simply do like a connection of a few channels, right? Streaming channels. So I'm a little bit sad that we are not continuing yet with the battle arena, but at the moment I would like to like at least get to finish with the stream hub thing, because it is something I would like to use for myself, as we have problems with sometimes seeing the messages. So yeah, that is the situation. That is the situation for now. Squirrel, if I may ask one more thing as well. So, are like novellas like your most favorite category or your most favorite genre? Or are there other games that you do play as well, like as well? Okay, what does Claude tell us? The debug log file does not exist yet because no errors. No, I did it already and the logs still not exist. Let me create a simpler test. Let's add a visible error message directly in response instead of relying on the log file. If yes, then the file should appear. It does not. Alternative, let's skip the log file and just show the error directly. Try sending a kick message now. With this latest version, the error message you see, like users not authenticated, is actually coming from Kick's API. My code now captures and shows the exact error Kick returns. Okay, let's try to do it then. Squirrel writes, I play whatever is there in my library. I have 150 to 200 games that I haven't yet played. I also have 70 to 80 unplayed games in my GOG and Epic Games account. Oh my god, you are like a games librarian. You are like connecting games. That is something. That is something. $150 games that you have not even played. How it comes? So you are like buying the games sometimes and not playing them, or just because they're free maybe and you're adding them, but not playing? Most of them are all indie games. I install them, play them, and then install them. Big bundles. And also the bundle thing, right? Yeah, I see now. Bundles on Steam are cheap. Yeah, exactly with the sites you showed us, right? Okay, so we have a new version. We don't have a new version. Wait, no, I'm confused. I thought he's giving us a new version. If any are unchecked, check them, save, then disconnect and reconnect it. Squirrel writes... Oh wait, first of all, play them for a few hours, uninstall them, and I don't complete most in the games. Yeah, I mean, most of the people are not completing, not just, no, indie games, but also like big games, right? So even such crazy good games like Red Dead Redemption or something, I think most of the people are not playing that till the end. What about you? What kind of games do you prefer? I prefer always multiplayer titles, so if it has no multiplayer and if possible online multiplayer or even MMORPGs, then yeah. Asumi
Osaka is now following.
Asumi Osaka, hello there. Great to have you with us. Welcome to Together Better. Great to have you with us. How are you doing, my friend? And it's a cool name. Does it have to do something with Japanese language? Or is it just a... Square Red's Red Dead Redemption isn't a multiplayer game though. No, I'm not Asian, Asumi as writing. I mean, of course, you don't have to be Asian to use Asian names or something like that, right? Great to have you with us. Are you interested in game developments or just useless, strange talks about games? And Square writes, it's not a multiple game, but it is. Red Dead Redemption isn't a multiplayer game, and I did not say that uh, I have played it very much. Show us your game. Well, the game is actually a gamified habits tracker so far, so just very, very simple. Well, every time you are completing one of your habits, you're getting experience points and gold and also battle tickets. And I think the battle tickets are what is the most interesting, because you can then fight in a battle arena. At the moment, just a battle arena. I'm just at the beginning. And if you have played Pokemon, then the system is very, very familiar with it. So you can fight against those monsters, and you can capture them. And once you capture them, you can also use them yourself to fight against the enemy. What's with the ticket for combat? Yeah, you need tickets in order to do battles, and the tickets you are receiving for achieving daily quests. Time-based or pay to win? Pay to win? No pay to win at all, because yeah. So at the moment it's like that, but I would like, of course, to add a multiplayer. So at the moment you can add just friends, but in future I'm thinking about a system where you can do like boss fights and group fights, something like that. Squirrel, thanks so much for being with us, and I wish you a beautiful time, my friend. So yeah, this is the idea. Asomio, what do you think? Is it interesting? Nothing that you would ever use at all, or? I'm interested in every feedback, and you can tell everything that comes into your mind. As I said, it's just very much in the beginning. Delric is writing, okay, let's do it. Let's do it, Prince. Oh, he sent it me now. Okay. Assume you read. Well, I would prefer it was more graphical appealing. Yeah, and maybe themed in medieval style or spaceship style. Not Pokemon. Interesting. So you're not much into Pokemon and gathering or catching something. And of course, as I said before, it's at the moment just at the very, very basic. Where I would like to try out the fighting system, but interesting. Medieval or spaceship style. That's an interesting topic. Let's write it down. Feedback by Asumi Osaka. The name sounds so Japanese. Spaceship or medieval. So you don't like the genre in a way. I would prefer something like O-Game. I'm a friend. I know O-Game. And I played it a lot. And I loved it. I've played it really a lot. Yeah, something more complicated. But this is, of course, a lot of more complicated O-Game to do. But step by step. Though, it's interesting that you are more into another genre. Are you playing O-Game still? If I may ask? There was the Flash game called Gladiator. Gladiator. Nope, not anymore. Yeah, I haven't played it for a while as well. You could make your game similar, PvP battler. Gladiator game. Is it that? Does it look like this? Wait. I will try to find it. Oh, thanks. Battle app. Gladiator Glory. Would be great. Thanks very much. Friends, I still don't understand if that is working with Derek. I think it is, by the way, right? Are we now streaming together, Derek? By the way, a big shout out to Derek. We are trying out today. We're trying out today the stream together functionality. But also you can see him, of course. But there is a shout out. Swords and Sandals. That's the name. I was wrong. Swords and Sandals. That sounds even better. Swords and Sandals. There's even a second game. You improve your gladiator stats as gear and you fight other gladiators. Okay. Okay. Create a gladiator. It's gonna be TB. Skill points. It's interesting that we can't see what the skill points are doing. Magica. I don't know. Attack, agility, strength. Can we like do them later? Your game is based around same idea except you added collecting Pokemons. Yes, exactly. So basically also we have a own character like the hero. This is in a way as well the gladiator in this regard, and you have also stats which you can not yet, but which you can improve. So they're not just the monster things, the Pokemon thing, but also the gladiator itself. That is true. This is the main character. Okay, there's even a big story there. Okay, charge, walk through, jump backward, taunt. What was that? Oh, wow, that is interesting. So you literally have to walk closer in order to... That is fun. Wow, that is very, very bloody. Very bloody. That looks very bloody, but cool. Thank you very much for the game info. Because I definitely can implement a few things, right? Okay. So if my game or my habits tracker would look better, would be in another genre, then maybe I have chances to have you play the game. That's good. Yeah, maybe you'll find some interesting ideas, definitely. So thanks very much one more time for giving them. Well, and the other thing I'm working on is basically a combined stream hub, which is online usable, not just. There are thousands of mobile games already. Some of them are even 20 years old. Yeah, of course. I mean, the main idea is I'm not really doing that necessarily in order to compete to someone. It's an habits tracker, and the idea is to improve your habits and gamifying them. So it's not just based on the game factor. Though I would like that the game factor is very, very good. or at least makes you want to come back. Also, if you know Tamagotchi, so this is also something that I've implemented here, that the souls parts which you're getting, they are getting hungry and dehydrate and so on. So there's like a thing of taking care for them. So that's the thing. Be right back. Would be nice to have you back. Alright, friends. So let's try to continue with our stream up for now. After our swords and sandals. It would be good if you would see what exactly the stats are doing, by the way. That would be actually not so bad. Oh, we have to spend all the things? Yeah, I don't know. Let's go for agility. Glorious rhythm. Church. Weaponsmith. Magic shop. That's very interesting. I mean, that is definitely a lot more appealing than what I'm doing so far. But duel tournament. It's interesting that the game is still online though as well. Versus, is that a real person? Is that like PvP? Oh, I think he is gonna kill us because he looks somehow a lot more stronger than we do. Jump backwards. Yeah, that was it. You are forced to hand over 300 gold pieces. At least, however, you will live to see another day. Wow. That's a quite hard word here. World. Okay, friends. Cool. So I'm not sure if he can really make it with just the help of Claude at the moment. Because it feels like he's in a little bit of loop of not really knowing what to do, and me as well in this regard. Let me try to see if I can find the debug log, if there's really now a log there, but I don't think so, because as I said, I actually tried to find it already, and here we go, friends. Oh no, what was that? Dum. Okay, great. Why is it not working? What is working? What is happening? Oh no, I see. Okay, let's try to find the debug. But it's not there. Can also, of course, try to to disconnect one more time. So why is that not working? We are authorizing it. And it's not detecting the username manually. It is not detecting the username. Oh man, I don't know what to do with the kick thing. Kick it away. Haha. Friends, we have a bug on our chat. A Karvanha. Is it a fish? It's a fish. A unified chat. Hello. Oh no, wanted to do a shout out on Kick. Hello. No, user is not authenticated. Yeah, Claude, what shall we do? Still no. Still, we received still the same error message in the app itself, in the chat. Oh wait, try to reconnect. We received the same error message when sending the message. Hello there, Rafi. Welcome. Don't forget to write exclamation mark enter.
Rufy 300 is now following.
Thanks very much for the follow. Yeah, we're soon reaching the goal, and then we're doing the giveaway. Great to have you with us. Games Mike, my friend. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Dobry wieczór, Games Mike. Good evening. So, Ruffy, are you interested in development or in giveaways? At least. So what is going on here? Try to reconnect to Kick and receive the same error message when sending the message. What was the message? Man, what was I doing? So somehow, the authentication is still not working. Sorry, I couldn't hear. Could you repeat, please? Yes, of course. Are you interested in development, software development, or game development? Or are you interested in giveaways? that was my question. So the user is not authenticator in both. That's good. That's always good. So at the moment I'm trying to configure a stream up where all the different channels you might have can be in one unified chat. If you're a streamer, of course. Because my thing that I'm using at the moment is causing some errors, so some messages are not arriving. That's why I thought, why not try to do my own app. So this is what I'm doing, and also I'm doing like a gamified habits tracker, which is basically trying to force you by playing a Pokemon-like game, to do your daily goals. So for example, like making push-ups, and for that you're receiving experience points and battle points and battle tickets, and for those tickets you can fight against other soul sparks, which you can catch. So this is like the basic idea about that. We're very much at the beginning though. So far, just the very basics are working. It's not looking that crazy good yet, but I'm already happy about a few of the basic things that they are working at least. So of course, the differences in elements, if you're familiar with the Pokemon game style. So those are the ideas at the moment. So what do you think, Ruffy? Is that interesting, or something that you would never try, never use? For example, someone said he doesn't like so Asumi Osaka said he doesn't like that it's about Pokemon in a way, or like monster-like Pokemon. It would be cool if it would be in another genre, for example. Or something that is more familiar with, similar to this game, where you're basically fighting in an arena, maybe. I do like the animations. Oh, we blocked it. Wow. What was that? Block. Normal. What is? Oh wow, I'm dead. Okay. So those are the things that we are doing here. This game is nostalgic. Nostalgic games, Mike. Do you know Swords and Sandals? You know that game? So viewer said we should do something like that, or in this direction. Yeah. Oh my god. That's so cool. I would never have thought that you know that game. Have you played it in school maybe when where the teacher wasn't watching. It feels like such a kind of a game, actually. Doesn't it? Okay. Perfect. I found it. According to Gig official SDK document, the endpoint is API cake chat and requires type user content and broadcast a user ID. We are using the wrong endpoint entirely. Let me fix it. Perfect. This should finally work. Here's what I fixed. We were using the wrong API endpoint. Public we want chat. According to Kik's official SDK. Okay, let's see if that is going to work. Maybe we are... I grew up in the Flash game era, really? Actually, I thought I grew up in the... No, I grew up before the Flash game era, probably. So you have played it a lot, my friend? You have played it? I don't understand, actually, at the moment how exactly to play it as well. So, are they just the arenas, or can you do other things as well? So, new Kik API endpoint. That's how we're going to save the name of this news version. And also games, Mike, if you know other Flash games, or you can remember the one that you liked most, would be cool. Would be cool to know, because maybe we can do something, implement this logic into my habits tracker as well. Oh, by the way, the fight is still ongoing here. I should maybe end the fight. Let's get it. All right, victory. That's good. Games are great. Starik Star Mike. Wait, is that really a game? Old Star Mike? Is it called like that? No way. Star Mike? There's no Star Mike game. Tank Stars. Yeah, yeah, you are Star Mike. You definitely are. Crazy games. Menu. Popular games. Multiple games. Can I not move to other games? Oh, have I been on this side before? I wonder. I think I've been here. Fantasy Online. Is it a turn-based game? It's a nostalgic MMORPG that captures the magic of 16-bit pixel art adventure while offering rich, modern gameplay depth. Okay. Okay. Games Mike also. You might have seen that we are co-streaming today with Delric. I'm not sure if you have followed them. He's a great guy as well. So, would be cool if you're following him. Joel, hello there. Yo, cool, see your app. Literally a game for habit tracking? Yes. A Pomodoro timer is definitely something that we should add. That is definitely something that we should add, my friend. I'm gonna write it down. It's gonna be one of our next things that we might should do. Yes, at the moment.
Blackstar is now following.
Thanks very much. Blackstar! Thanks very much for the follow, my friend. Great to see you with us. Welcome to Together Better. Yeah, we are lacking a little bit of the organization of the dailies that you are doing at the moment. So this is very, very basic. You can do like quests themselves, but also sub quests, and also can decide how hard they are. Unfortunately, the icons are not showing up at the moment because I have created this app in Lovable, to be honest, and I run out of credits, so I moved to to my own site. But for that, I had to create a plugin. So this is the story. Oh, there's an interesting information about Ruffy. Interesting. So what do you think? Is that interesting to you, Joel, or if I can call you like that? Is that something interesting for you? Especially after we add a Pomodoro thing. What do you think about the topic with the Soul Sparks and the Tamagotchi-like system? This is, of course, as well to engage people to play the game, but also do the habits, because in order to make the hunger going down, you have to feed it, and for that you need gold, soul food. I think it's quite a nice name, and in order to get the dehydration down, you have actually to drink yourself. So this is something to remind people that they should hydrate themselves.
Bob Malin is now following.
Bob Malin, thanks so much for the follow. Great to have you with us. Wait, are we far away from our giveaway goal? Because please, everyone who is new in the channel, don't forget to write !enter into the chat, because you're going to take part in the giveaway, which we actually are doing right now, because we reached our 170 follower goal. And Joe has written, always cool to see different ideas on habit tracking. I think I don't have the mental model. Who's your target user? Yeah, at the moment the target user is me, because I just wanted a habit tracker, which is giving me some extra feeling of you have to do it, because I'm carrying a little bit of the Soul Sparks, but I'm of course also thinking of a social system where you can fight together with your friends against big enemies, for example. Bob Malin asks, are you a game developer? I'm actually just a vibe coder, honestly, so I'm using AI to create what I have in ideas. So I'm not really a developer, as Delric, for example, is our co-streamer, who's developing his own MMORPG. So I'm just a vibe coder. I can't call myself a developer, unfortunately. Yes, we reached the goal, Wally. Great, right? We're going to do the giveaway. And Joe writes, oh, okay, that's pretty cool, especially if you can see the health of your character over time. It could be motivating to do more. Yes, so this health is actually going up, because this is the health of you battling. But an interesting idea of getting it down as well. You're getting me ideas. And Giro Pizza, hello there. Yes, everyone writes !enter to take part in the giveaway. We are doing that in a few minutes. Can you delay the giveaway? I want to DM you something. Sure. We are doing that. Are you on Discord? Yes, I am. How much does Lovable cost for the Pro in your region? I'm not sure how much. I think they cost everywhere like $20 a month. But as I said, at the moment I'm using just Claude AI, the free version, and it's working not so bad. It's working not so bad with just using the free version of Claude AI. Yes, you can drop me, of course, something in Discord. I have Discord. Can you drop your Discord? I think there should be even a Discord thing, if it's working. So this should work. And also I'm just together better there, by the way. So not a big difference. All right. So we're going to do soon the giveaway. I hope you're hyped. Also, you can decide what you want to go, what you want to get the giveaway in, like which. Wait, what? Oh, it's Together Better, no man. What, Games Mic account? That would be interesting. That would be very interesting. It would be Games Mic account. Just missed the last minute commercials. Asteroid Destroyer, thanks very much for the follow.
Asteroid Destroyer Rouge is now following.
Welcome to Together Better. Great to have you with us. Can I ask what the giveaway is about? Yes, it's gonna be a $10 giveaway to a digital, yeah, something digital. So something like Steam account, PSN account, $10 giveaway, or Amazon account, whatever you need. And I can buy, of course. You're welcome. Yeah, we're going to do the giveaway soon. Please don't forget to write !enter if you join. Boom, boom, boom. Send you a DM on Twitch. All right. It's interesting. I have like now messages which are telling me that there might be giveaway bots accounts, and the funny thing is that they're like, it appears like that two different companies are struggling for the giveaway, because the one are telling it's the one and the other are telling it's the other. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm receiving like 3 Twitch messages. So we have the battle of the giveaway receivers. Boopy boop boom. Joe writes, I need to jump, but good to see your app and seeing you stream live. We'll check again. Thanks so much for your follow and great that you've been with us. But would be also good to know what you're into, but hopefully the next time. All right, friends. So the time is soon arriving. Joe writes, sure, we got earlier this week when you joined my stream, shared my time blocking app. Oh, now I remember. Joel. RTG, of course. Raise the game. Yes, 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 yes. Please, friends, also follow. Gonna give a shout out one more time. Please follow Joel because he's doing actually something more helpful, I would say, in terms of organizing everything. And also he was looking, at least when the last time we were speaking, for people who are trying his Squirrel, thanks very much for the messages, yes, in Discord. Thank you. Is Joel a developer? Yes, yes, he is a developer. Bing, 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 bing. So please leave him a follow, and if you like, you can try out this game. Okay, guys, we have reached our giveaway. So everyone who is new, don't forget to write !enter into the chat to take part in it. We are definitely going to do the giveaway today. And let me take a look. So let's go here. The chances are still quite high. We have, though, 13 participants already in. The last minutes, friends. Last minutes before we do the giveaway. And let's say 1 minute. 1 minute before the giveaway. Sorry, there's no winner yet. There's no winner yet. We have to wait. 40 more seconds. No, the chances are very high for everyone because they're just 13 in there at the moment. Anyways, are you working on the habit tracker right now? I think today I'm gonna work just for 20 more minutes on the stream hub. Tomorrow probably we will do it game testing, and then after that, if the stream hub is ready, I will continue the habits tracker probably. Okay, guys, so there is the giveaway. The follow goal 170, we have reached them. So, is everyone ready? Some hype into the chat. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is... Asteroid Destroyer Roach. Look at this. You are the winner. You're the winner today. Is the giveaway something that you would like to receive? Is the first question. I said GG for me then? Yes, you did. So, I assume you want to have the giveaway? Congratulations. Yes, Anya Sword is writing. Hurry. Steam if possible. Sure. Do you need like the global Steam version or a specific version? I'm gonna write you also a message on Twitch, so it would be great if you can accept it. Asteroid writes, I am a U, so shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Asteroid writes, yes. Hello, yes. Great. So, I'm gonna send you the giveaway EU. So great. EU, Steam, $10. You have also the possibility to leave the $10 in the pot, and the next time you would do $20, but I assume you just want to get the $10. I assume that. You want me to gamble? Yes. Who knows? Maybe you like it to have a double time when we are reaching the next goal. But you don't have to, of course. You don't have to. Wait a second, friends. I think I ran out of luck this week. I see. Okay, Steam. Try with another account, Rafi's writing. Yeah. Who knows, right? Oh yes, Steam doesn't need different accounts, right? Region Europe. Let's do this, friends. So let's take a look. This should be the gift card you're gonna receive. I hope that is that you would you like Steam gift card. Oh, it's actually gonna be even 10 euro. Yeah, okay, it's okay. It's even more than $10 actually. That's fine to you. Mm-hmm. Oh, I should pay the taxes. I'm more than fine with that. Oh, should I? Yeah, I don't think you have to pay taxes on giveaways, unless you are a streamer who is receiving. But I am not a tax consultant, so don't ask me. So for instance, 1 second, I have to take my credit card. I meant to you for the extra. No, it's all good. If you're gonna be happy, and then that's the most important part. Yeah, you have to pay taxes if you're receiving that as a streamer. Then you would have to pay taxes actually. But wait a second, I'll be right back. Square writes, well, it's just a 4% tax, not a big deal. It should be tax-free though. If you ever do it in future, you can do it through Steam friend list. And you won't have to pay. No, I mean taxes in terms of if you as a streamer would receive a Steam account money, then it would be something that you have to add to your taxes. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Asteroid writes, much appreciated. Saving for the new Hello Night. Oh, interesting. So you're a fan of that? Mostly indie games, yes. My computer has trouble handling all the new games. Yeah, whom are you telling this? Because I'm streaming actually from a laptop, and it has quite a lot of problems with everything, even just streaming, which is also a little bit of a hard thing to do, right? All right. So I'm gonna send you the code in the Twitch message. Here we go. Would be great if you can test it out if everything is working on Steam. All right, friends. So it's making me happy to make people happy. Let's go on. Work without any issues, man. You are fast. Perfect. Happy to hear that. Can you write it to me in the Twitch message as well? That would be good, so that I have it at one place and know that every giveaway was spent wisely in this regard. More than happy. Appreciate it once again. Yo, you're welcome. You're welcome. Great that you're with us. Great that you're with us. All right. So let's continue our journey in improving our stream hub there. And also Asteroid, tell us as when you're getting the new Hollow Knight to play. You're gonna like it. Would be loving to hear that. Yeah, the Silk Song. Yeah, of course. Do you need still a lot in order to get it? How much? Or are you able to buy it soon? And Squirrel writes, have you played it? Squirrel is asking. So wait, Asteroid, you have already played it. It's cheap during sales. It's $10 in my country. Oh, very cool. No, all good. I'm pretty picky when it comes to games Asteroid is writing. So I hope you're gonna have good time with the Silk Song. The Silk Song. Alright. So we have a new version. Have I saved that or not? I'm not sure at the moment. Together better. Delric is singing always when he sees me. Together better. Squirrel, did you play it? So you liked it? Squirrel writes, don't play a lot of Metroidvanians. Oh, interesting that they're called like that. I didn't even know. But indeed makes sense, right? So let's get the new version online. Squirrel writes, Hello Knight is Metroidvania. It's derived from the games Castlevania. Yeah, of course. I always wondered why Metroidvania stuck, but not Castlevanians, right? I think Castlevania was definitely before Metroid, right? Or was it not? And Castlevania was very, very nice, right? As well. Stream Hub. Let's deactivate it. All right, we are deleting the latest version, and now we're getting to the update. I was young. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have updated the new version. Let us take a look if it's gonna work, friends. What do you think? Oh wait, we have to first set it up in the backend, by the way. I have first to set it up in the backend. We're disconnecting from Kick and try to reconnect if that is going to work finally, because I don't think so far. Claude is struggling really a lot. I don't think it's working, man. I don't know. I got the feeling. No, username is still not there. And that is already a bad sign, I would say. Okay. Also, friends, we have a Pokemon Hour chat. If you would like to get it, please don't forget to write !PokeCatch. Here we go, Squirrel is with us. Oh yeah, Asteroid, if you want to play, you have to write... Exactly. It appears like you know how to start the game. Okay. So let's try to write... Hello. What? It worked! Finally, friends! Woo! Friends, it worked! Multi-messaging in at least 2 of at least 3 platforms is working. Wally writes, "Hurrah! Hooray!" Yeah. It took me so long. I tried to do the whole day to correct the errors. And it's finally working. Do Pokeshop. Yes, you have to do Pokeshop. If you want to have some bolts, you have to write exclamation mark, Pokeshop, and then like Pokeball 5, for example. Oh wait, I'm sending that to Kick now. It's not a good. Pokeshop, Pokeball 5, something like that. That's how you have to write a Pokeshop, then what you want to buy and how much you want to buy. Exactly. Oh, but you don't have to do enough much. I think you should just Pokeball 1. You're receiving for every time when you're writing in chat of someone who has this plugin activated, Pokemon plugin, then you are receiving Pokedollars, so the money there. And then you can buy the Pokeballs for it. So just write Pokeball 1. At the moment, I'm sure you can buy at least 1. Yep, exactly. So Pokeshop, Pokeball 1. Exactly. Great. Very cool. Good work. So now you're a real trainer, a real pocket trainer. You wanna be the very best. By the way, Esrod, is it okay to ask you where are you from in Europe? So at least the country would be cool to know. All right, friends. I want even to make Claude happy to tell him it's finally worked. I'm from Croatia, the coast everyone wants. Yeah, Croatia is a beautiful, beautiful beaches. Every time in my childhood, when I was going somewhere, making holidays with the family, it was always Croatia. Dobry večer. It's almost the same, right? Something. I might even pronounce it not bad. Dobry večer, or it was something different. Squirrel writes, does every European country use euros? Swiss have Swiss franc, yes. Norway and Sweden has krona. Exactly, yeah. So you're actually answering your own question, the question of yourself. Dobra večer. Great to have you with us. Does every yes, and Liechtenstein is, I think, not using the euros well. Romania has the euro from the last, or from this year, I think, or will have. Yeah, but why don't all EU countries not use euros? You mean, why are they not using euros? Yes, there are advantages and disadvantages of using one currency, but having a different government. Because currency used to be also a means to have like a balancing mechanism to other countries. So if your country is performing economically very strong, and another country is not, then usually the money of the other country is less worth. But with this, the people can buy, let's say, more with it in a way. It sounds a little bit strange, but it has a balancing possibility. Swiss is too neutral and currency is strong. Great. Britain left Eurozone. Not sure about the Scandinavia. Yeah. I mean, Britain did not had euro at any time, even when they left the EU. And Swiss franc is very strong. I mean, it's one of the strongest currencies in the world. And also quite stable. I didn't know it's called Swiss francs. I just used the abbreviation for it. Yeah. The Swiss franc. And in German it's called Schweizer Franken. But yeah. Oh my god, it is really working with the kick. That is cool. I am very surprised, honestly. I did not imagine that we can do it today. I did not believe in myself and Claude at this point. Squirrel writes, it's an interesting country. Half of them are French and half of them are German. Yeah, I mean, it's not like the people are half German, half French, but they are Swiss. But they are speaking, a lot of them are speaking like French and German, and sometimes even, which was the third language? German, French, and what's the third one? Italian, yeah. They're sometimes even speaking Italian as well. So friends, Kick and Twitch are working. What if we are writing to all the things? Hello, all chats. T and key. Is it working as well? Yes, it is. Cool. That's cool. T and key, yeah. Twitch and the other platform. Starting with K. Kick. Do you stream? Yes, I do stream there as well. That's why I am creating this at all, because I had problems seeing messages from other accounts. Sometimes the messages just disappeared. So I thought, let's do our own thing that we can improve it. Yes, so YouTube, Kick, and Twitch at the moment. And YouTube is gonna be the next thing that we're going to try to connect. Oh man, how could I forget about Joel? How could I forget about Joel? That's not so... I'm feeling sad about that. Okay, so we are going to do 19th. It's the time. It's about the stream thing. We have this. We have accomplished this. I think we have this as well, in a way. This is working as well. That is good. And this is working as well, actually. So basically we have from this tasks just this one left. That is good. This is the last thing. And also now we are going to try YouTube. The problem with YouTube is that at the moment it is asking us for sending every time the latest YouTube link, which is very unsatisfying, right? That is very unsatisfying if you have set it up every time you and you. So let's write to Claude. Great. Connection is finally working. Let's make Claude a good day. That he is happy. But I would like to know, is it possible for the YouTube connection? Because I don't want to try it in this situation already, if we can change that. Is it possible for the YouTube connection to not have the user to put in the link to the latest stream? Be possible to Skrill writes, look, I'm gonna go and play Life and Suffering of Sir Brande. Skrill, one more time, thanks so much for being with us. Thanks very much for the lurk as well, it's very helpful. And I wish you a good gaming session with Life and Suffering of Sir Brande. Have a good time, my friend. Until the next time. So let me put this off. YouTube. So what are we needing for YouTube at the moment? We need to set it up first. What is happening with my internet connection today, I wonder? Feels like something is not able to manage it. Maybe the internet is somehow broken a little bit. Okay, so what about YouTube? We have to go to create a project at Google Cloud Console. Enable YouTube Data API version 3, then create an authentication client. Authorized redirect to callback. YouTube requires verification if you want more than 100 users. So submit for review at Google Cloud Console. Possible to receive that through the YouTube API. YouTube. Friends, we have a new Pokemon, the Shelmet. What is the Shelmet, friends? What is the Shelmet? Oh my god. It looks like it wants to kiss everyone. Isn't that sweet? So if you want to get it... Oh wait, do I have to click apply? That is not so cool, actually. Pocket Catch. There we go. To receive that through the YouTube API for latest streams. Something like latest stream video. Let's try to ask it. Let's try to ask it. Claude, what are you going to answer to us? Jean-Claude. Yes, absolutely possible. YouTube has an API endpoint to get the currently active live broadcast for the authentication user. Let me update the code. Yeah, why didn't you do it right away, my friend? But okay. It's okay. So maybe while we're waiting, I'm gonna try to create a Google API in the Google Cloud Console. It's again Cloud. Oh, it's Google Cloud. It's actually... Am I calling Claude, though he's actually Cloud? Never thought about it. Never thought about it, friends. Search account. I agree, Germans. Okay, let's try to do that. Try Google Cloud with $300 in free credits. Sounds good. Try for free. Wait, but why do we need that? We need that. Create a project at Google Cloud Console. We received a new version. Claude response could not be fully generated. Okay. That's unfortunate as well. Select the project. Payment information. Okay, it's still free. It's just setting up with the information about me. It's good. Verify it's you. When you click on you, your browser would appear where you will verify your info. Oh wow, interesting. I need my phone, probably my pink phone. I wonder where it is. Where could it be? Where could be my pink phone? I think it might be somewhere there. Yes, here it is. Wait, do I need the phone? Oh no, I think I need another phone. No, I have it here. So good. I think you might not see me at the moment, but it should still work. Okay, so this should have worked. Oh, I like how they are checking the ID. Actually, Google is smart. It's just trying to get money from me for $0, and then they know that the account is really working. It's not bad. Oh, there's so much to choose. Does someone agree that Google has a very, very bad AI UI usually? In terms of it doesn't look nice. Okay, deploy an application. Create a database. My first project. New project. We're gonna call it Together Better Stream Hub. To get a better stream up, it cannot be changed later. No organization, parents also no organization. You have 11 projects remaining in your quota. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. So we have created a project, I think. Quick actions. My first project to get a better stream up. Tell me step by step. Tell me step by step. Have to do on Google Cloud in order to receive the things we need to connect. Ding dong. I think I might do this, and then I'm doing like something like like stretching a little bit, and then doing like this, and then wow. No one knows what I'm doing, but I have opened and helped the beautiful person. Most beautiful, I would say. Yeah. Got it. Already has a manual field as optional. Wait a minute. Oh, look at this. Great news on Kick. Claude is so happy. He is celebrating with us. Look at this. He even did a emoji. Isn't that cool? Claude is happy. I'm making people happy today. And Claude is a person as well. Well. Oh, wait, absolutely. YouTube API cannot refetch them. Update the code to fetch, auto fetch the current live video. Give you step-by-step Google Cloud setup instruction. Good. Auto fetch. Good, it already has a manual field as optional. Now let me add the auto detection function. My PC is struggling just reading what Claude has written us. Good, it already calls. Perfect, the audio is already there. Already built into the plugin, user don't need to enter video IDs. Okay, so go console, click select a project drop down. Yes, we have that. Project name StreamHub, or whatever you like. Good. Click create, wait for it to create 30 seconds. Enable YouTube Data API. Make sure your new project is selected. Enable YouTube Data API. Go to API and services. Wait a second, friends. API and services, I found it. Enable APIs and services. Search for YouTube Data API version 3. So by the way, friends, this is how it looks like. So this is the Google Cloud. This is the APIs we can choose from, as it appears. And what do we have to do? Go to APIs and services, library, left sidebar, search for YouTube data. Library. Can I not search here for that? No, wait. Library. YouTube. Yes. Okay. Okay. Try this. Enable it. Click on it. Click enable. Okay. Yeah, so I'm doing that. It is thinking. It is doing. Now we have metrics, we have filters, versions. Let's take a look what is. Create O authentication credentials. Go to APIs and services, credential, left side bar. APIs and services. Okay, APIs and services. Enable, what was it? Credentials. Credentials. Okay, yes, credentials. So I think I can show you this as well. So API and services, here are the credentials. Remember to configure the O authentication constant screen with information about your application. Okay, okay. Create credentials, I assume. Friends, we have a Pokemon now, a chat. It is a Murkrow. It's a Murkrow, friends. Whatever a Murkrow is. Oh, this is a crow. A Murkrow. Obviously. Okay. Create credential. Create credential. O of client ID. O of client ID, yes. See that? So just for everyone who is interested, this is what we're doing. So here's the O of client ID. Okay. To create an O of client ID, you must first configure your constant screen. Okay, let's do that. Google Auth platform not configured yet. Get started, configure applications, identity, and manage credentials. Or calling Google APIs and sign in with Google. Get started. App name. Yeah, well, it's the Together Better Stream Hub. Support email. Yeah. Okay. Audience. Only available to users within your organization. External. Available to any test user with a Google account. Yes. Contact information. Email address are for Google to notify you about any changes. Okay. Okay. I agree, yes. Create. Okay, friends, we are creating our Google Cloud project with the authentication. Scopes. Save and continue. Click add or remove scopes. Add or remove scopes. Where do I see them? Do we need this? I'm not sure. Click if says configure, click configure constant screen, choose external. Yes, we did this. And now we need scopes. Click add and or remove scopes. Don't see that actually. I can see checkup. Clients. Overview. Metrics. We don't need the metrics really, do we? So now I'm a little bit confused where we can find the scope thing. Scopes. Scopes. No. Wow, that is quite complicated to create a Google thing authentication. Wow, it's quite complicated. Sorry for that strange sound. Branding. App domain. Audience. External. Test users, clients. Oh, add or remove scopes. That is in the pod data access. Let's take a look. You can show it. You can see here. So I just opened up here this hamburger navigation menu and data access. Then there is these add or remove scopes. This is what Claude told us to look for. Search for YouTube and check this. Okay. We have to look for YouTube now. Wow, is there not a search possibility? You have to look through. YouTube. Oh, there it is. YouTube. Manage your YouTube account. What do we need exactly? First with YouTube. Check Google APIs of YouTube. What? Oh, there are a lot of things. YouTube partner. What do you think, friends? Search for YouTube. Check. What do you mean check? We have to check that, but it is auth YouTube. Auth YouTube. So this probably. Because maybe there it is also like the Google blah 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 for them. Check YouTube. Update. Oh yes, we have it. Okay. Update, save and continue. Test user. Now we have to add test users. Save and continue. Okay, so let me... We're going to... Test users. Click add users. So, where are we going to add them? Is it like an audience? Or is it in clients? Test users. It is an audience. Test users, add users. So for everyone who is interested, we have to go after data access. We're going to audience, and here we can add users. While publishing status is set to testing, only test users are able to access the app. Allowed user cap prior to app verification is 100 and is counted over the entire lifetime of the app. Okay. Add your email and any other users who need access. Wait, but do I have like manually add then everyone who would like to have access? That would be very strange, wouldn't it? But okay, for now, probably. Okay. Save. We have a test user. Back to dashboard. I would never be able to do that without Claude, I can tell you. Go back to credentials, create credentials, authentication client ID. Go back to credentials. Where was the credentials thing? Credentials. Someone remember where it was? That's strange. We have to go to the dashboard back, maybe. But where's the dashboard? Oh wait, we have to do the Claude credentials, I think. But it wasn't verification, isn't it? Credentials. Create credentials. Wow. Create credentials, authentication client. Authentication client ID. Application type is gonna be a web application. Name Stream Hub WordPress. Do we need to write Stream Hub WordPress? Do I have to write as the name of the web application Stream Hub WordPress? Or can I call it myself, like together better Stream Hub? Let's see what it's gonna tell us. The name stream of Everest was just an example. Feel free to use. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, so where are we? We are app name. Application type, web app. Will not be shown. Okay, that's good. That's what. Domains of the URIs, the domains of the URIs you add below will be automatically added to your click add URI. URL. It's not URI. Redirect to URL. Add URL. Oh wait, redirect URLs or click add URL. Authorized redirect URLs. Authorized. Oh no, that's not what we wanted. Redirect URLs. Okay. Friends, we also have a Pokemon Hour chat, which is called Duyuson. Which is definitely something. Duyuson. That is definitely a thing. Okay. It may take 5 to a few hours for setting to take effect. Sounds good. Copy these two values, client ID and client secret. So we are creating authentication client created. Client ID. Okay, we have that. We have that, friends. But also let us take everything with us. I cannot show that to you, but we have now some files there. Oh, that's unfortunate that they're calling it like that. That's interesting. That is unfortunate that they are calling it like that. Alright, we got the dubious.
Partner_crew raided us with 5 viewers.
Partner crew, Runa. Welcome, great to have you with us. Thanks so much for the raid. How was your stream? How was the Sea of Thieves doing? I was and am still lurking, probably you by the way as well. Ahoy! Ahoy there. Great to have you with us, my friend. Can you believe it? We reached again our follower goal of 170 today. We made a giveaway. Unfortunately, you haven't been there. But great to have you with us. Also to everyone, welcome. My name is Robert, or to get a better, you can call me Bob, Rob, or whatever you would like. But not partner crew, because that's already the name of a great person here. Who is writing ahoy.
Archgoat_enjoyer is now following.
Archgoat, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Get a Better. Great to have you with us. I assume you are one of partner crews. Great sailing pirates. if I may ask? Yep. Great. Great, everybody. Are you the one who Partner Crew was playing with? Are you literally his teammate? Because I think usually he had just one on this loop. I ban evil people from chat. No, 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 no. You are a man with a sword, or a woman, of course, or a person with a sword. Okay, friends. Thanks very much for the follow one more time. That's also a cool name. Archcode Enjoyer. Okay, friends, we are doing something very interesting, actually. Maybe for some not. I am streaming on multiple platforms, and I realized that sometimes the plugin or the app that I'm using is not showing me some messages. So, me like Archcode. So I'm creating an online app which is simply connecting all the chats in one place. And also the like stream elements notifications. And also the other thing that we are developing is a gamified daily habits tracker. So you can write down your habits, and once you accomplish them, you're getting experience points, you're getting gold and tickets, and those things you can use in the battle arena to fight Pokemon-like things, and yeah, you can catch them as well. So this is a very Pokemon-like thing to do. You can like fight, for example, with their little Borrelia against the Furox, and catch it at the end. I mean, it's very much in the beginning of the development at the moment, but I think it looks already at least funny. Also, I've learned a lot about it. So yeah, that is what we're doing currently on stream, but usually I'm doing a lot of strange and different things, not just developing something, but also variety streams and whatnot. And whatnot. Yeah, so this is the habits tracker. Also, what might be quite cool to have is the Makochi style of caring for those soul sparks which you are getting, because they're getting hungry and dehydrated. So the Makochi needs attention. Also your habits. That's maybe the idea behind it. All right. So, have I downloaded the last version? I think I did. You like Archcode? Honestly, I'm not even sure what the Archcode is. But if you are the Archcode so far, I do like you. Oh, is it a band? It's a band, I didn't even know that. Music, no, I don't know the Finnish. It's a Finnish band as it appears. But the band was formed when I was born, so that is an interesting part. So it appears like you do like the same music as Partner Crew likes. And it's very interesting how many Finnish bands are in death metal, right? That's also very surprising, I think. Partner Crew, I didn't hear you. I said that it appears like Archcode is into the same music as you are. It appears like Archcode likes death metal. Though I'm not sure if you are still into it as well, partner crew. Yeah, it's decent. Very good. How was your stream, my friend? Are you happy with how everything went? You were suddenly gone. I was on your trials, Outlast trials stream, and then suddenly you walked the dog and we're gone. You were just gone. Yeah, all went pretty good. Very good, my friend. I'm happy to hear that. I had to go, but I came back. Yes, fortunately. Was happy to see you back. And especially with another game, because you really can't get me with the Outlast trials. Why you don't like Outlast, my friend? Do you like Outlast actually after your tries? I mean, it felt more like you're in pain, in a way, as I was, because I don't know. It feels to me so. I mean, the game mechanics are not something I'm into. I don't like the genre. I don't like to be. I mean, it's not even scary. It's just a lot of very not nicely things shown. That's what it is for me. So I mean, it's like the a lot of pain shown and not much fun. It feels to me. But I like the chess part. I really liked how we played chess on it. That is something I can tell. That is definitely something I do like. As we have played chess the last time, that was also great. So friends, we are updating to our newest version. We're updating to our newest version here. Let me zip and unzip it. Zip, unzip and zip it. It's more precise. Because Claude doesn't like to zip right away the file as we need it. Okay, so let's turn off the plugin. Let's turn off the plugin, friends. And let's turn on the new one. By the way, partner crew, you are not streaming on different channels as well, right? At the moment, because I thought at some point maybe it would be useful for you to have what we are developing right now. What Claude is developing, I'm just talking, just writing with him. Okay, we are installing the newest version. Activate plugin. The activation takes longer than usual. That is not the best sign. But it was activated. That is good. It was activated. So I can soon show you what we are doing, but at the moment we are putting in some secret information in terms of the API. So unfortunately I cannot show that. Okay, YouTube authentication. Client ID? Yeah, only Twitch. You're probably very exhausted, are you? And hungry. So Squirrel writes Outlast, the horror game, yes. Partner Crew is... Hey, by the way, big shout out as well to Partner Crew. Everyone who wants to see some horror action and also very cool Sea of Thieves games, please join Partner Crew. We're already very long. We have a very long journey together. Yeah. Partner Crew writes yes. Thanks for shouting. You're welcome, my friend. Also, thank you for the raid, right? Thanks very much. Square writes, I haven't played it yet, but I have read good things about it. Well, if you are into horror games, then yes. If you don't, I would not recommend it. Partner Crew, would you say Dead by Daylight is worse or better than, for example, than Outlast Trials? Partner Crew writes, Robert too scary to play Outlast. I have played it, as I told you, I have played it once. Dead by Daylight, not really scary. Squirrel writes, Dead by Daylight is multiplayer, Outlast is single player. No, it's not. Outlast you can play with 4 players. Especially the Outlast Trials. There's even PvP, really? I didn't know that. I didn't know that there is even the PvP. So we are at the moment adding the client ID and the secret pod. Wait, now I'm confused. Squirrel writes, doesn't Outlast have a single player campaign? There are three Outlasts, right? There's like Outlast 1, 2, which is the older one and which is just single player. And now the Outlast Trials, which doesn't really have a single player, but you can play everything alone. Partner Crew, you can go into other players' games and be one of the evil people and do evil things. Oh, really? I didn't know that. That is kind of interesting. It is kind of interesting. Okay. We have the YouTube authenticator. Let's try to see if it's now going to work. Oh no, we have now to go to the profile. Partner Crew, have you played a lot as the evil person in other games? It would be interesting to know. Because I would imagine you are a type of person who would like to go into other sessions. Okay. Partner Crew writes, yes, but I like playing more as the normal people, because then I can troll other people who playing normally. Interesting. That is very interesting. Connected as unknown user, that is already a bad sign. Okay, friends, so we have updated the newest version. Partner Crew writes, let's do co-op stream. What would you like to stream then? And we do Outlast? No, man. I'm not gonna do Outlast, really. I just would do it if we're going to do like a big streaming goal of, I don't know, 100 euros in order to play me. I just don't like it. My friend, I just don't like Outlast Trials specifically, probably. Okay, friends, what do you think? Is it going to work? Square writes play Left 4 Dead 2. Yes, that's a very good game. And World War Z is also quite nice. Why exactly that game? I told you, that's just awful. It's just bad. There's nothing good at it. I can't see it really good at it. Why hate exactly Outlast Trials? Well, as I said before, I don't like the game mechanics, so the enemy NPCs are just stupid. You can just run around the chair, literally. It doesn't feel very smooth in this regard. It feels very bad to be there because it's simply a horror kind of thing, but it's actually just showing you not nice things all the time. Partner Grid is okay, play Outlast 1. But we can't do a co-op stream then. Square writes Metro Exodus is a good horror game. The story is based in Russia. It's single player though. Yeah, I mean, would you say Metro Exodus is really a horror game though? I mean, it's more like it's not very horror, I would say. Even. Panagru writes how much money I give. My friend, are you sure you won't spend money on such a thing? Okay, let's see if we can write something to YouTube. YouTube, no active YouTube stream found. Start a stream. Squirrel writes, well, it's scary when you run out of ammo and you have multiple mutants chasing you. That's true. But I think almost every game gets scary once it gets sketchy. But that's true. That's definitely true. So interesting that it is telling me that we are not having active streams, though we have. So this is a mistake. Squirrel, is Metro Exodus not like the third part as well? It's like the third game, right? Of the Metro saga. Oh, by the way, we could try to enter the video ID manually in the profile. Squirrel is yes, third game. And have you played Stalker? I have not played Stalker. I've seen quite a few people who were playing it on stream, on their streams. But no, I did not play it. They released a Metro VR game recently. You play as Khan in that game. As Khan. Who's Khan? Oh, sorry. And Squirrel writes, Metro was developed by developers who left GSC. Man, it appears like you're very much into Stalker, and Khan is that philosophical dude who kind of looks like dehydrated Genghis Khan. Oh, really? Wait a second. Khan Metro. Oh, okay. Okay. Panagru, as I missed all you said after I said how much money. Yeah, that was on purpose, my friend. That was on purpose. So, Squirrel, you do like the stalker topic and like post-apocalyptics? €5? No. It's not enough. Squirrel writes, he was there in Metro last night and 2033. Have you not played the Metro games? I have. The funny thing is, the first game I ever played on stream or was streaming was actually Metro. But I was streaming without a cam and everything. But I haven't played it a lot. I just very much the beginning. Very much at the beginning. Which Metro part do you like most, Squirrel, if I may ask? 550? No, Partner Crew, no. I'm not gonna play this game for €5.50. Yeah, you're such a great person, my friend. It's so funny, actually. Do you remember the old times when you were giving me the Japanese dolls into the chat for money? That was something. And Squirrel writes, yes, I love post-apocalyptic games. There aren't many out there either, and most of post-apocalyptic games are based in Russia and Ukraine. Yeah, exactly. By any chance, have you tried StarCraft? Because I was thinking of maybe try to play that on many out. Oh, sorry for that. On stream, because it's free, and I thought maybe that would be an interesting MMORPG in a way. How much money I give? You mean to let me play the Atlas Trials? StarCraft isn't free on Epicon, right? It's free always, right? I think it's everywhere free. It's just yeah, it's a Stalker MMO. So have you played it? Do you like it? €1,000? Yes, then I would play it. Then I would play it. It will face reveal if we play. My friend, you showed your face all the stream today. Was it not your stream? Was it AI? Was it AI? Oh, it was AI, really? Oh, that's why you're so good looking. Oh, man. That's funny. Yeah, so €1,000. Squirrel Ride's gotta go. See you tomorrow. My friend, Squirrel, thanks so much for being on the stream and all. Exit is writing exit. Wait, why are you writing exclamation mark exit? Do you want like to have a specific music or something at the end? I would like to know that, because we can try to do that. Can try to do that. Okay, let's try manual ID. If that is working. Now, it's just to say that I'm leaving the stream. Okay, next time I will try to do a sound for you when you're leaving or something. Yeah, bye, my friend. Till tomorrow. So the face of Partner Crew was today just an AI clip. Now we know. Now we know, friends. Okay, let's update. Let's update the site. Hello. Hello, YouTube. No active live chat for this video. No active live chat. It's interesting. Hello. Oh wait, but we see YouTube there. At least YouTube is now... Oh wait, you can't see anything, right? You can't see anything, friends. So this is what it looks like at the moment. So there is... We can see now Twitch, YouTube and Kick there, but... Oh no, I sent it now to every... YouTube, no active live chat for this video. Okay, so we have to write to our friend here. I have set up everything like described by you. French, we have a wild Burmy in our chat. What? What is that? What is that thing? A wild Burmy. Yeah, let's try to catch it. That is working, right? Yeah, okay, so Twitch is working. Hi. Kick as well. But YouTube makes problems. By you. But when trying to send a message without having no likes given. Hello there, my friend. Welcome to Together Better. Great to have you with us. I can give you definitely a like, but later after stream. Great to have you with us, my friend. Cool name, by the way. But when trying to send a message without having a specific, how was it called? Video or something? Without having a manual video ID set up. Why is the text so much longer, by the way, of the... Oh, I think that's the wrong code, friends.
Japanese doll.
Partner crew, Japanese doll. It is back. Japanese doll, Japanese doll. Yes, this is nostalgia. I think it was like 4 years ago when you first did this. Finally, Partner Crew has found the possibility to do that. Finally, you found it. So friends, there might be a mistake on my side. Might be a mistake on my side. Okay. I mean, there's still the problem that we that the app is not getting the information by itself. That's for sure. So we
Green and yellow leaf.
What? I didn't even understand. Oh, yellow. What is that? Yellow leaf. By the way, this message is very big, isn't it? Is it this Twitch alert or what is it? Yeah. So, oh yeah, I wanted to try it out, by the way, one more time. Hello, YouTube. Request contains an invalid argument.
Dolls, 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 dolls.
Oh man. I of course missed it, but not that much as it appears. 10 channel points, by the way, yeah. I have 60k, but you're also a lot of wiser and smarter than you once were. So spend your 60,000 points more wisely. I mean, it is not real money, right? So I can turn it off at any point, I think. Okay. 60k points, friends. But without having a specific manual video ID put into the backend profile settings.
Luo Bo T1 open double angle bracket Tao Tuo Shi Lian close double angle bracket.
I didn't know that you can speak Chinese. I wonder what you have written there, honestly. Do I have to ban you for some things? How did you call me? Robert plays escape trial. That's what he has written. Cool. Robert plays escape trial. Okay. Put into the backend profile settings a message. But when trying to send a message without having a specific connectors, put into the backend profile settings the message no current live streams. Wait, was it something like that? And if there is a video, YouTube video ID put in, then the message. What was it again? Request contains an invalid argument. If there is a YouTube video ID put in, an argument appears. Making representing the message no current live stream. Yeah, let's do the no current live stream message. I want to see what exactly it's saying. So let's put that away. We've put this away. Is it going to show right away a new message? Yes. No active users even. Man, that's such a long message. Appears. No active YouTube stream. Found. Stream found. Start. I cannot copy it, that is the problem. Start a stream or enter video ID. A stream or enter a video ID. No active YouTube stream found. Stream found. Start a stream. Oh man, why is it such a long message and just showing so short? If there is a YouTube video ID put in, then the message YouTube request contains an invalid argument appears. Let's do that. Let's go for this, friends, and we are also getting very close to the end of the stream. I think it's also the last message that Claude is going to work on. The auto detection looks correct, but the issue is it's looking for broadcast status active. Let me update it to be more flexible and add better error logging. Oh yeah, Claude is done for the day. And this means we are done for the day as well. It's very late already at my point. Sorry that for the friends. YouTube debug. Oh, I lost my voice right away. It's good. I'm just gonna install the latest version before we are ending the stream. Boink, boink, boink. Okay, we have it. Right? No, we didn't. What? Wait, what am I doing? Wait, I'm totally confused now. I have now the same thing and the same thing. Yes, I think that is what happened. Though very strange. Okay. Here we go. Let's update the news version. Deactivate. Friends, we have a meditate. Meditate. What is a meditate? Okay, it looks like a little Smurf. Are they called Smurfs? Blue Smurf things? I think they're called like that. I mean, it's a little bit legendary. Let's get it. Pocket Gadge, Great Ball at least. Great Ball. We need a little Smurf. All right. Plugin is activated. Let's go into the profile settings. So here's everything okay. YouTube. Let's try to disconnect first. Connect to YouTube. Already has some access. See the service together has some access to. Okay. Okay. Oh, Tech Jack, sorry for yeah, we have done the giveaway today. So we have done the latest giveaway today, but tomorrow we are definitely going to start a new giveaway. But great to have you with us. Yes, I did not start the newest giveaway, we have already done it. So we are doing that every time we're reaching a new follower goal. So you're welcome to follow and support us with the follow goal and also getting faster to the follow goal itself. Tech Jacket.
Tech
Thanks.
Jacket is now following.
Thanks so much for the follow. Welcome to Together Better. Great to have you with us. It feels like you are into giveaways, or are you also into development? Because the moment I am developing kind of a stream hub and also a habits tracker, a gamified habits tracker, how I call it. So I'm not sure if you're into that. If yes, tell me if I shall tell you more. At the moment I am activating the newest version of our plugin. I think that should work. It's updated. It doesn't look like YouTube is connected. Hello YouTube. No active streams. Great. It's not working. It's not working so far. We have had big problems with Kick, but now we have problems with YouTube. Yeah. It's even less fun. It's so far. Okay. Let's put in the information there. And update it. Update the profile. It doesn't look good. YouTube, is it connected now? Is it connected now or not? Okay, it shows us at least that YouTube is somehow something doing. Request contains an invalid argument, yeah. So that was everything that we can do for now. Because we run out of Claude messages today. But we did do at least something. We have a kind of improvement. Also set up all the Google verification. We're getting closer. We're getting closer of having a usable stream hub. So I hope the next time we're even better with that. Anyway, friends, I thank you very much for being with us. I'm gonna give a rate to our stream partner. Gonna do a stream partner rate. Which is basically Delric. So please leave him a big hello. And I wish you all a beautiful time. Till tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna do some game testing, so I hope it's gonna be fun. Alright friends, bye bye.